Good morning, class. It is really nice to meet you all. I'm Jake Cruz, and I will be your teacher in grade 7 English Spectrum. So, before we start our lesson, let us put ourselves in the presence of our Almighty God. So, let's stand up, let's bow down your head, and close your eyes. So once again, good morning, class. So before you sit down, please pick some pieces of paper underneath your chairs and please arrange your chairs properly. Okay, thank you, class. Now you can sit down. So for now, I would check the attendance. Say present if your name is called. Okay, I have checked your attendance and all of you are complete. I'm very proud that you are eagerly to learn our lesson. So we will have a quick drill. So this drill is partially a warm-up exercise. So are you ready, class? Okay, kindly stand up so we could start our warm-up exercise to stretches our muscles and bones. So the first exercise that we will do is we will gently bend our heads or neck to the right side. Gently bend and hold it in just 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend it in the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to our back side, we will stretch our back or our spine to the right side. Same thing as the head. We will count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now stretch in the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, raise your left knee and hold it like this. Start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to the right knee. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, that's all we do. Now you can sit down. Now before we formally start our discussion, I would like to set some rules. So class, be sure to follow our rules in our classroom. Now this is the rules that we should follow. Number 1, please listen to the teacher when she or he is discussing the lesson. Number 2, respect one another. Number 3, raise your hand if you have a question to clarify. And number 4, always clean the surrounding. That's all the rules that we have in our classroom. So be sure or follow our classroom rules in order to have peace and just. Okay, class, may I ask a question? Have you ever played 4 pigs and 1 word? Yes, it is fun. Now we will have an activity just like the 4 pig and 1 word. I'm going to divide you into 2 groups. Each group have 4 pictures and below the big pictures are the blank space. So these are the scrambled letters. Pick correctly the letters and paste it in the blank space. You can start now in 2 minutes. So, group 1, your answer is strong. That's obviously correct. Let's check it. And group 2 is brave. It's also correct. So class, give yourself a round of applause. Now I will ask you a question. Do you consider yourself as a brave and a strong person? Okay, very good. So being brave or strong is related to our discussion for today. So I will formally start our discussion. It's all about Biag ni Lam-ang. Now class, I'm gonna ask you a question. Have you ever faced a battle that you are really not sure in winning? Okay, that is a good point. Now, in our life, there is different battles, which is the bad or even it could be worse. Now it depends on how strong your heart to face the world's odds. Now class, that is the life of Lam-ang. Okay, thank you class for your time, and please stand up for our prayers. Once again, thank you and goodbye class.